find it. Go find it.
Don't even play with me, man.
Dude, here's what happened. Seriously, are you not?
We're messing with him. We told him he had the ball. So now he's tripping out because he can't find it. Cute. He looks right at it. Yeah, he looks right at it. Yeah, you can't really start, but get it out now. Mexicans on the roof.
That's just poultry, guys.
It's a poultry.
Like a ghost.
A ghost?
Yeah.
Ghost in the attic? Oh, the ghost. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this is shipping out of here. Still waiting for him to come back. It's such a fruit. Go for some. Go see what he's looking. Dude, no, don't let him see you there.
You got it.
Did you find it?
No.
What do you mean? Did you look everywhere?
Everywhere.
Did you look at the sink?
Did you go in the kitchen? I hope you did not leave it in the kitchen.
Or the bathtub?
I didn't go there.
Dude, where did you go?
You have to mess with me.
Dude, no, you said you were going to see it because you didn't like the water.
It's blue. Look for blue in the bathroom.
Go look for it.
Oh, yeah,
Dude,
stop messing with me.
oh my god.
What are you talking?
I'm gonna go to sleep and think.
You can go to sleep and think.
How about you go to sleep and not go to sleep and think about where you put it? How about that?
It's behind your bed.
No, it's not.
I said what's behind your bed?
Nothing.
Dude, go look in the bathtub.
Oh, no way.
You have to sit there.
I don't think you did, dog.
Where did you look? Look at the shower. Check your shower. Look at you look in the shower. Why were you in the shower? Please, just look one more time. Please.
Yeah,
Go to Adrian.
I need to get my mind straight.
No, go to Adrian's side. Jacob, it's not in there. We don't swear.
Are you guys being serious?
Yes.
Like, no, I'm not joking.
I'm not joking anymore.
We were never joking.
Seriously, no, seriously.
You know, seriously, you don't know.
You've never been joking. Just one more time, please.
Hey, can you come here with me to get some other people?
Go.
Come help me get some other.
What? But can we get the? Can we find the?